the northeastern, not only the Kuki and Naga, not only the Kuki and Meitei, we should love each other. We should try to compromise some way or the other. Otherwise, we will end up killing each other only. BJP government is not content, satisfied with the life and blood of Manipur.
Houjik leiriba government asina leiriba Manipur gi meeyamgi punsi amadi asi karisu oidana khalli haina Salena A Sagma na Fongdokkhre Kanglup ani asi khatnahallaga kanagumba ama nakanda kanaba louraga leire hainasu mahakna makha takhre Eikhoi North East leiriba mayam asi punsinduna masi thidoktuna gyan taminaba mathau tai hainasu mahakna makha takhre Manipur da Naga kuki amadi furup khudingmak nungsi sanana leiminai adubu kanagumba ama masi takhre kanaba laubani hainasu mahakna Fongdokkhre.
Manipur, we have been hearing about this, but it seems like this government doesn't care about the lives and the blood of Manipur. It seems like this BJP government is not content, satisfied with the life and blood of Manipur. They doesn't bother about the people from the northeast. It seems like they have taken the northeast for granted. Therefore, I would like to request and ask, who is benefiting from the life and the death of Manipur? Before 2 years, Manipur was peaceful. Before 20 years, Manipur asked for the ASPA, and then somewhat they've managed to kick away ASPA. And again, now they're pulling back and putting back ASPA again to Manipur. Who is behind and who is benefiting about with this particular incident that is occurring in Manipur? That's why I would like to request our Manipuris, we should not kill each other. We should try to love each other. Because somebody is behind this particular conflict, who is benefiting from this particular incident. Otherwise, Manipur is peaceful. We are Northeasterns are peaceful, loving people. We don't like war. We don't like to continue with the militancy. We don't like to embrace with the bloods and life of our Northeastern. That's why we, as a Northeastern, we should support each other. We should try to think who is behind this particular incident and who is behind this particular conflict. Manipur, Kuki, Naga, everybody loves each other, but somebody is benefiting out of this conflict. So we should try to pinpoint who are the main men behind. This BJP doesn't bother about our life. This BJP is taking our life into consideration. That doesn't bother. So I would like to request our Northeastern people, not only Northern people, the people from the Indian Alliance, that we should come up and make them realize the way this BJP government is thinking about our life from the Northeast and the people from our BPL people and the downtrodden people. They don't bother about our life. They only think about the benefit and the benefit only. They don't have a moral code. They understand about the moral rules. They are self-assertive. They are selfish. They are money-minded. They think only about themselves. They are idealistic. So we should think properly. We should not fight amongst each other. Our fighting is benefiting them. Our life, our killing, they will never be satisfied with the blood. That's why I would like to request and urge all the Northeastern, not only the Kuki and Naga, not only the Kuki and Meitei, we should love each other. We should try to compromise some way or the other. Otherwise, we will end up killing each other only. That's why this government doesn't think about us. So we should think properly. I would like to again shout, long live Manipur!